kids?
Today we're going to be drawing a tulip for Easter.
Yeah, that's right. We're going to draw a tulip today. Maddie had this idea that we could draw a tulip for Easter, and I think it's a fantastic idea. Sometimes people think mostly about the Easter lily at this time of year, but there's so many flowers about to bloom, and the tulip's one of them. So we're going to draw a tulip today.
Yep.
You ready?
Yeah.
Get started? One, two, three. All right, Mads, this one's pretty quick. It's a pretty quick little drawing of a tulip. And it's going to start with a W at the top of the page. And all the pieces of the W, you're going to try to keep them fairly similar in size. Okay, so it's going to look something like this, right across the top. Next is a U shape, and that U shape is going to form the shape of our flower. And try to bell it out at the bottom just a little bit. Something like that. Nice job. Okay, next, we are going to create these teardrop shapes that create what looks like our petals, okay? So this one's gonna go like this, and curve down and curve right in like that. Next one we're gonna do is gonna come off of here, and it's gonna tuck in behind here so we can't see the full shape of the petal. Awesome. So next we're going to do our stem. And our stem is going to be just long, skinny, and doesn't have to be perfectly straight, but it's going to come off the bottom here like this. Going to come down and go fairly straight. Nice job, Mads. And then this side is going to mimic that. So it's going to curve in a little bit, and then it's going to mimic that shape, that stem, and maybe get a little wider as you go down. All right, so next is we're gonna do the stems. I mean, the stem is already done. We're gonna do the leaves that are on the stem. So first, coming up on this side, we're gonna draw one that comes up a ways and then curves out just a little bit. Awesome. And then we're gonna take that one, and that one's gonna curl. That one's gonna come back into the stem and connect to the stem right here with like a deep V shape, just like this. We're going to put one on this side. We're going to come straight across from the other one. This one's going to be a little bit of a different shape. Not much of a different shape. It's going to be pretty similar.
Yep.
It's going to come all the way up. Now, Maddie, do our flowers have to be perfect?
No.
No, because at Craft Kids TV, we don't go for perfection. We go for
fun.
That's right. We go for fun. So check this out. It's going to look something like this, Maddie. It's going to be nice and high. It's going to come right up in here. Do ours have to be the same?
No.
No. In fact, it'd be weird if two flowers were exactly the same, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
So this one is going to also come back and connect with the stem, maybe just a little bit lower than the other one, but around the same place. Whatever feels right. Yeah, just about the same place. Cool. I like that. It came out really good.
Yeah.
So that is all she wrote for the Sharpie, unless we want to thicken anything up later. But now it's time to shade. Color and shade. And so what's going to take this drawing from super easy and simple to do to kind of the next level is the way that we shade it. We're going to use 3 colors for the stem and the leaves, and we're going to use 2 colors of different shades of pink up here for the actual flower petals.
Yep.
So we can we will fast forward as we do the shading and coloring, and at the end we can stop and we'll talk about it. You can pause at any time to catch up if you need to. We are complete. These flowers are complete. We really like how they came out. We just did, like I mentioned before, the 3 different colors, the 3 different shades of green down on the stem, focusing on trying to make them look a little bit 3-dimensional. Keep the darkest on the outsides, and on the right-hand side of the stem, allow the middle of the leaf, which may be exposed to more light, to be a little bit lighter. The left-hand side of the stem to be lighter, because that's where the light's coming from over here, we imagined. And then we put some white lines. We put 7 white lines on just to indicate these are the most light is hitting here, here, on this side, on the right, left-hand side of these flower petals, and then it's catching some light right here in the middle as well. So that's what we did. If you want to pause and catch up with us, or if you just want to color it and not shade it, whatever you want to do, it's gonna look awesome. So, 1, 2, 3. Flowers. These are tulips to be exact, right? So Maddie had this awesome idea of drawing tulips. We're coming up on Easter. Easter is famous for lots of flowers, including the Easter lily. But don't forget about the tulip. Don't sleep on the tulip. We had a lot of fun drawing this thing, didn't we, Maddie?
Yeah.
Yeah, so hopefully you drew along. Check out some of our other channels on YouTube TV. What?
Check out some other videos on our YouTube channel.
Cool, and until we see you next time, keep drawing, stay awesome.
Bye.
Bye.